Top 10 Roblox avatars. Let's see. Rock. Number 10. Let's see. Emma. Number 7. Come on. Tyler Shifter. Really good. Number 9. Let's see. Armasar. Number 8. Of course. I know Thor. Thor number 4, of course. Let's see. Blake. Number 6. Yes. Bhutan. Bhutan is a country. Number 5. Slender. Number 3. Let's see. Bad boy. What you can do when he's coming you. Number 1, of course. And number 2 is Poopy.